Hey guys, today we're going to show you something, the not so sexy part of stone crabbing, which is this bait preparation that we do. So I've had a lot of people, I've shown it in some of the videos, but we kind of showed the buckets of the pig's feet that we use and the cowhide. And so today we just picked up a new shipment of cowhide. And normally when we buy the cowhide, we get the whole hide, but the supplier that gives that to me, they were out and they're not going to have any until the beginning of next year. So it's the end of December right now. I don't know when we're going to watch this video, but end of December, it's almost New Year's. And so we were able to find another supplier down there in the Keys, and they already have it cut. And we had to go all the way down to Marathon to go get it. So we've got the cowhide, it's already cut. And man, this is some raunchy stuff. So the reason why we use cowhide, and I'll grab a piece here and I'll show it to you guys. This is already pre-cut, so it's already cut into the pieces. Normally, if you buy the whole hide, you have to cut it, but this stuff works really well. It smells horrific, and so you got to remember, crabs are scavengers, so they're going to be looking for dead fish, things that have been killed, or if a predator attacks something, the leftover, the pieces, they're gonna eat all that, and so they go out hunting for food, and they go out hunting for food at nighttime, right? They're really nocturnal. They move around a lot at night because during the daytime with the light, they're very easy prey, right? So they can't swim. All they do is walk, and they make for a very easy target. So when they go out looking for food, the scent is what attracts them. And so we use cowhide, and we put cowhide in our bait cups in the traps, and then we go ahead and drop pig's feet in the bottom of it. And then as the cowhide deteriorates, it starts giving that scent and that smell in the ocean. And the good thing about the cowhide is this stuff will last for a couple weeks in the traps before you need to go ahead and replace it. And so the good thing is, when they slaughter the cow, everything gets used, right? By the butcher shops, people are buying the meat, and then the fishermen are using the hides for the trap. So a very popular bait, number one bait used for lobster, commercial lobster, and then for stone crab, we're using it as well in our bait cups. Now we're gonna show you the bait cup, and I'll explain to you exactly how we go ahead and use this bait. So guys, this is a new trap that we're gonna pour cement into this trap next week, because we've got some traps that were lost with the storm that we're gonna replace. But essentially this trap is ready to go. It just needs the cement. But this is the bait cup that I'm talking about. And so what we do is we go ahead and we put this inside of the bait cup, and we mount our bait cups all the way up to the top. And I think we've talked about this in another video, so that when you close the lid on the trap, the lid is very close to the top here, preventing fish and other things to go ahead and eat your bait. And then as this gets rotten and it's ending, and you want to go ahead and replace it, you just flip the bait cup over, you dump out whatever's left into the bottom of the trap, and then you go ahead and flip it back over and go ahead and drop your new piece in there. So guys, that's basically it with the cowhide, the pig's feet. We're going to, we get those already frozen in a box. We just break them apart. And then what we do with the hide and with the pig's feet as well is we go ahead and we put them into Home Depot buckets. That way we could seal them. And then we put them away in our freezers, and we take it out and load the boat when we're going to go out crabbing. But we're going to go ahead and take these. We're going to start separating into the buckets, and we'll show you that process here in a little bit. All right, guys, so this is the whole process for the cowhide, and I'll tell you, if you're not a commercial stone crab guy and you're just doing this recreationally, you got some friends, I would highly recommend go ahead and get some cowhide with some friends, because it's going to make for excellent bait. It's going to last you a really long time in the traps, and it's going to be very effective for you guys. But thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, smash that subscribe button so you stay up to date with all of our content, and good luck out there crabbing.